Gear up for the future with our top picks for 21 smart tactical military gear and gadgets you must have in 2025. These cutting-edge tools are designed to enhance performance, improve safety, and keep you ahead of the game in any situation. From advanced wearable tech to rugged multi-tools and innovative survival gadgets, this collection is perfect for military personnel, adventurers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Discover the next generation of tactical gear that blends innovation with reliability. Without further ado, let's get started. Keeping your daily essentials organized and easily accessible is crucial for convenience and efficiency. The tactical sling bag redefines versatility with its modular design and G6 connection buckles, allowing you to customize and combine bags to suit any scenario. The L6 backpack offers ample storage with a well-organized compartment layout, ensuring your belongings stay secure and accessible. Its adjustable and detachable strap adapts for left or right shoulder use, with added comfort from shoulder pads and a fidlock magnetic buckle for quick adjustments. Crafted with VX 21-dimension polyant and multicam alpine fabrics, this bag is lightweight, waterproof, and wear-resistant, making it ideal for rugged use. With concealed carry capabilities, elastic mesh dividers, and stylish details, it's a perfect blend of functionality and design. Staying punctual and prepared in any environment requires a timepiece designed for resilience and functionality. Introducing the Recon Original Digital Wristwatch, a rugged, tactical timepiece inspired by the legendary G-Shock design. It combines durability with advanced features. It is designed for versatility and boasts 100 meters of water resistance, military-grade nylon straps, and a rugged build ideal for tactical missions or casual wear. With 2 independent time zones, this watch ensures global timekeeping precision, while the DigiLume Nighttime Illuminator provides visibility in low-light conditions. This timepiece continues the legacy of the Sniper series with a bold, functional design tailored for extreme conditions. Whether you're adventuring outdoors or tackling your daily grind, this affordable watch delivers unmatched performance, durability, and style, making it an essential companion for the modern, tactical lifestyle. Keeping your gear secure while staying stylish and ready for action demands a belt that performs under pressure. The BadgerStrap magnetic tactical belt is engineered for durability, strength, and unmatched functionality. From its CNC machined buckle to its tactical nylon strap options, single layer or double duty, 2-layer sewn webbing, every detail is meticulously crafted for performance and resilience. The hard coat anodized buckle ensures a robust and stylish finish, while the no-slip design guarantees a secure fit, no matter the challenge. Assembled and sewn under one roof, this belt offers the perfect blend of style and performance, making it wearable anywhere, from tactical missions to everyday use. Easy to latch yet tough to break, it's built to handle feats of courage, strength, and general badassery, ensuring your pants stay put through it all. When rugged situations call for reliability, strength, and versatility, having the right tool can make all the difference. Meet the Warwood Tactical Relic Tomahawk, meticulously crafted to serve military personnel, first responders, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Forged from a single piece of 100% USA-sourced 4140 steel, it boasts a 2.5-inch blade and a 3-inch pike, both heat-treated for sharpness and durability. A sharpened undermount blade enhances blade retraction, while the overmolded rubber handle ensures a secure grip and minimizes handshock. The tail features a differentially heat-treated glass breaker for forcible entry or digging tasks. Built to withstand years of abuse, this Tomahawk bridges the gap between military and civilian use, proving itself an enduring companion for any adventure or emergency. When it comes to leveling up your fitness routine, versatility and precision are essential for achieving maximum results. Meet the Raptor Tactical Puzzle Training Plate System, a revolutionary fitness solution designed to fit all military-grade plate carriers. Constructed from durable rubber, this customizable system allows you to add up to 23 weight pieces, each weighing 0.4 pounds, for a total capacity ranging from 2.4 pounds empty to 11.6 pounds fully loaded. This innovative design introduces a dynamic and flexible approach to weight training. ensuring safety while pushing your limits. Perfect for military personnel, fitness enthusiasts, and athletes, this system combines military-grade durability with cutting-edge technology, offering a game-changing workout experience. Embrace the future of fitness with unparalleled adaptability and performance. Effective communication and hearing protection is vital in high-noise environments, especially during shooting, hunting, or tactical activities. The EARMOR M32 Plus tactical headset delivers unparalleled noise cancellation and sound amplification, making it ideal for hunting, shooting, and military games. Equipped with multiple speakers and dynamic voice tracking, it ensures crystal-clear communications even in noisy surroundings. Its NATO TP 120 jacket enhances compatibility, while its durable build and waterproof rating ensure peak performance in all conditions. Designed for rigorous use, this headset combines cutting-edge technology with robust construction to offer superior audio clarity, reliability, and versatility. Whether in the field or at the range, the M32 Plus is your ultimate hearing protection and communication solution. Durable, lightweight footwear is essential for excelling in demanding tactical environments. The Belleville Ultralight combat boots, designed as the 510 MEF Marine Expeditionary footwear, represents a breakthrough in combat boot technology. Featuring moccasin-like strobel construction, they offer unparalleled flexibility and comfort, ensuring smooth transitions to kneeling positions. The low-density PU midsole provides exceptional shock absorption and rebound, while the Vibram outsole ensures superior grip and durability. Built with cattle, hide leather, and nylon, these boots weigh just 20.6 ounces, making them one of the lightest options available. The cool mesh hydrophilic lining wicks away moisture, ideal for hot and dry weather. Crafted with USA materials, these boots are perfect for tactical missions, offering outstanding performance, comfort, and longevity. Efficient and comfortable firearm carry is essential for safety and accessibility. The LPV Premium Bellyband holster offers unparalleled deep concealment with a design engineered for all-day wear. Crafted from comfortable, breathable neoprene with air-transporting lightweight holes, it ensures optimal airflow and comfort. The extra-long, extra-strong Velcro closure maintains a super strong hold, even after years of use. Equipped with dual magnetic retention buttons, it fits 99% of handguns, including models like Glock and Hellcat Pro. The removable magazine pouch is adjustable to fit any size magazine. Designed in Germany, this holster combines functionality with premium craftsmanship, providing a fully concealable solution that's both durable and reliable. Perfect for professionals and everyday carriers seeking comfort, security, and adaptability. When outdoor performance and durability are key, versatile tactical pants are a must. The Helikon-Tex HOP Hybrid Outback tactical pants offer exceptional durability and freedom of movement, their hybrid construction combining DuraCanvas and VersaStretch materials. This design ensures both rugged durability and flexibility, ideal for tough conditions. The anatomical cut provides a comfortable fit, while hook and loop adjustments at the hems allow for a custom, secure fit. These pants feature low-profile protective pad inserts and reinforced hip pockets for added functionality. Larger zipper cargo pockets and front hook and loop closed pockets provide ample storage, and the wax impregnation ensures water resistance. Perfect for outdoors, hiking, law enforcement, and work, these pants are built to perform in any climate. For those seeking comfort and concealability in an outside-the-waistband holster, a sleek and discreet design is essential. Meet the Tulster Contour, an innovative, highly concealable and comfortable OWB holster that features a molded-in concealment design and low-profile construction. This holster is made from Kydex with asymmetrical wings that angle the firearm's grip toward your body, effectively eliminating visible printing. The streamlined design ensures minimal material, creating a sleek curved shell that contours to your waistline for maximum concealment. With adjustable retention, raised sight channels for aftermarket sights, and an open-ended muzzle for threaded barrels, the Contour offers a customizable, secure fit. Ideal for anyone seeking a balance of comfort and concealability, it's the perfect solution for concealed carry. When quick access to essential gear is a priority, a compact and efficient storage solution is key. Introducing the LIVANS Tactical Accessories. Pouch, a versatile compact pouch designed to offer convenient storage for your essential items. Made from water-repellent nylon, this smaller pouch features a front pocket with hook and loop closure for quick access to small items like pens or snacks. The main compartment includes a separate inner divider and mesh pocket for organizing your gear. This pouch easily attaches to mole platforms with mole straps and locking hooks, making it perfect for your backpack or shoulder strap. Its zipper closure ensures your belongings are secure, while the hands-free design allows for easy accessibility during any adventure. For those seeking versatility and practicality in their everyday carry, a tool that combines function and convenience is a must-have. Introducing the JP Tactful Tactical Modular Keychain Pen, a compact, multifunctional tool designed to serve various purposes. Available in 4 metallic finishes, including titanium and 6061 aluminum, this pen doubles as a multi-tool, featuring a tungsten steel tip for emergency glass breaking, a hex bit cap for tool use, and the ability to hold optional Fisher Space Pen refills. The keychain cap provides easy attachment, while the hidden ferro rod ensures you're prepared for fire starting in emergencies. The pen's modular design lets you carry it in multiple ways, while the included bit holder and pry wedge add extra utility. With its sleek design and practical functions, it's an essential tool for tactical, survival, or everyday carry. For those needing a reliable, durable, and versatile solution to carry essential gear, a tactical backpack is indispensable. The 5.11 Tactical Backpack is designed to meet the demands of professionals, adventurers, and first responders. With 37 liters of storage, this backpack features 29 compartments for organization, including a hydration pocket, a padded laptop compartment, and a large sunglasses pouch. Built with 1050D nylon, it's water-resistant and equipped with self-repairing YKK zippers. The ergonomic design includes an adjustable sternum strap, compression straps, and a contour yoke shoulder strap system for comfort. Compatible with the 5.11 Slick Stick web platform, this backpack can carry everything from gear to PPE and is perfect for a wide range of activities such as hiking, hunting, and everyday outdoor use. Ready for any adventure, it's the ideal companion for your gear. When reliability and versatility are key for carrying gear securely, a tactical retainer belt is essential. The Raptor Tactical Retainer Belt is designed to provide solid retention for your equipment, even in high-movement situations like jumping. Constructed with an inner and outer belt system, it features a built-in retention system that allows you to carry multiple items in different ways and combinations without the need for additional holsters or pouches. It ensures complete coverage, like with a Glock 19 trigger, for added security. Veteran-owned and operated, this belt is battle-tested and Warrior-approved, offering high-quality gear at an affordable price. The Raptor Tactical Retainer Belt is built for tough conditions, making it the perfect choice for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. A compact, multifunctional flashlight is crucial when versatility and reliability are essential in tactical lighting. Introducing the Streamlight Sidewinder Compact. 2-head flashlight, an innovative multicolor LED light designed for tactical use. Featuring 4 LED colors, white for general illumination, red for night vision, infrared for night optics, and blue for signaling. It offers versatile lighting options for different situations. The flashlight has a push-button operation, cycling through low and high settings for optimal brightness and battery conservation. It also includes a strobing function for all-color LEDs, enhancing visibility in emergencies. This flashlight can be mounted on a ballistic helmet, attached to mole gear, or used with a hands-free strap for easy access. Its ability to run on multiple battery types makes it ideal for any mission. When durability, functionality, and comfort are essential in outdoor or work environments, a versatile pair of tactical pants is a must-have. The BTLYUIOAPE Cargo Tactical Pants are designed for ultimate performance in demanding conditions. Made with water-resistant ripstop fabric, these pants offer lightweight durability, perfect for outdoor activities like hiking, camping, or work in construction. They feature multiple pockets for secure storage, including special compartments for tools or gear. The pants come with knee pad inserts for added protection and comfort during intensive tasks. The high-stretch material allows for flexibility, ensuring ease of movement. These versatile, multifunctional cargo pants are ideal for work or outdoor adventures, providing a durable and comfortable solution for any rugged task. For optimal performance and survivability in extreme environments, it's crucial to have gear that not only protects, but enhances capabilities. Meet the Qore ICEPLATE EXO Gen 3 plate, a revolutionary piece of tactical gear that combines body armor with cutting-edge thermoregulation technology. Designed to maximize comfort and performance, this plate carrier is built with adjustable, flexible shoulder straps and optimized geometry for a perfect fit. Its algorithmically optimized relief cuts allow for greater plate retention and improved integration with various armor plates or ICEPLATE curves. This version features enhanced Velcro fields and mounting points, offering greater customization. With the ability to seamlessly regulate body temperature and improve mobility, the ICEPLATE EXO Gen 3 is the ultimate solution for those who require superior defense and increased physiological performance. When venturing into the outdoors or engaging in survival activities, having a reliable, versatile knife is essential for safety and functionality. Introducing the FLISSA Tactical Bowie Knife, a 15-inch full-tang fixed blade designed for durability and performance in demanding environments. Featuring a razor-sharp clip-point blade made from stainless steel, it offers excellent edge retention, hardness, and rust resistance. The blade also includes a sawback for added versatility. The rubber handle ensures a non-slip grip, making it comfortable and safe to use in various conditions. The knife comes with a heavy-duty sheath that includes a belt hanging system for easy carry. Additionally, a knife sharpener and fire starter are included, providing you with essential tools for survival, tactical, camping, and hunting activities. For those who require reliable, high-performance night vision in a compact design, having advanced optics is crucial for tactical or outdoor operations. The AGM NVG 40 Night Vision Binocular offers superior stereoscopic vision with a dual-tube design, ensuring a true 3D view. It features Gen 2 Plus or Gen 3 tubes, available in white phosphor, providing clear and precise visuals even in low light. With a 35 to 40 hour battery life and an infrared illuminator, the NVG 40 enhances visibility in total darkness. It is designed for easy head or helmet mounting, allowing for hands-free use, and comes with simple, ergonomic controls. The diopter and focus adjustments provide sharp images, while its articulating design allows for flexible use in a variety of environments. The dovetail or bayonet mount ensures compatibility with different equipment setups. In emergencies, having compact, organized, and accessible medical supplies is critical for quick and effective treatment. Introducing the Helikon-Tex medical line Mini Med Kit, a compact, versatile solution for carrying essential medical gear. It is designed to be duty belt, PALS, and MOLLE compatible, ensuring easy attachment to your gear. The kit features YKK zippers for durability and easy access. Inside, 2 mesh pockets help organize medical supplies, while the external Velcro panel allows for customization or identification with a reflective paramedic cross. It also includes a lanyard loop for added convenience. Made from polyester 80D, this medkit is built to withstand tough conditions and is ideal for first responders, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone needing quick access to medical tools. Staying hydrated during outdoor activities and workouts requires a durable, functional, and efficient water bottle. Meet the Kalawen Insulated Water Bottle, designed for optimal hydration, whether you're hiking, camping, or working out. Made from 304 stainless steel, it offers a durable, BPA-free construction, ensuring long-lasting use. The double-layer insulation keeps your drink cold for up to 24 hours, making it perfect for all-day adventures. With a 64-ounce capacity, it holds plenty of water for extended activities. It comes with a tactical carrier bag, a straw, and a cleaning brush for added convenience. The adjustable paracord handle and keychain allow for easy carrying and attachment to your backpack, making it a versatile and reusable solution for hydration on the go.